Hello, welcome. I just finished taking the WRX on a back road drive just to see if all the issues are ironed out. First, on the way here, the active cruise control did not shut off. With the problems that we had prior, it was shut off about 5-10 minutes on the freeway. Did not do that this time, so that's good. The clunky noise that I usually hear driving out the driveway and everything, not there anymore. So it's good. The car is more planted now. It's less clunky, less flowy. It's still pretty low, so it still scrapes here and there, but there's no more awkwardness and there's no more random metal tinking. Oh, and the rear sway bar link was loose, so I guess it backed out a little bit. So when you take a turn, the car doesn't, like, it wallows, and because it wallows and the springs are loose or the collar's loose, it just all bad. It still scrapes because it's, just really low, but it does stay planted longer. Not longer, it does stay planted better. You can take some turns and you don't have to worry about it. With that said, that is the intro to this video. I hope you enjoyed the POV drive.